Welcome to your most favorite channel, Heartbeat. This channel is mainly meant for MBBS students and medical professionals. My name is Dr. Amrit Kejriwal, and I am teaching mainly general medicine and applied medicine. As it is said, I learnt a lot from my teachers. I learnt a bit more from my colleagues, but the most I learned from my students. And I'm still learning, and I still consider myself to be a student of medicine. Today we learn something about the second heart sound, normal and abnormal both. It is due to the closure of the aortic and pulmonary valves. It signifies cessation of forward blood flow, and S2 compromises of two components: closure of aortic valve called A2, closure of pulmonary valve P2. It is commonly denoted as A2P2. It corresponds to notch in downslope of aortic pressure curve. In inspiration, there is increased splitting of A2P2. Here we can see in expiration the A2P2 is very close. There has to be a gap of 20 milliseconds for these to be audible as different sounds. And in inspiration, we will see that the gap is widely split. Characteristics of S2. A2 is always louder than P2. A2 is present at the second right intercostal space and it radiates to the apex of the heart. P2 is present in the second to fourth left intercostal space. It's softer than A2 even at pulmonary area. Now here is the outline of the body. Here is the corresponding aortic area and here is the corresponding pulmonary area. A2 is always greater than P2 even at the pulmonary area as I have already mentioned. However, in case of pulmonary hypertension, the P2 may be louder than A2 or there is a diminished sound of aortic valve closure. In obese people, the second heart sound may be heard at the lower sternal edge, and in chronic lung disease, it may be heard at xiphoid. Aortic valve sounds. Now coming, there may be a loud A2 or there may be a diminished A2. Loud A2 signifies increased flow in ascending aorta or increased pressure in aorta or aortic root dilatation. Diminished A2 can be seen in aortic valve stenosis or supravalvular aortic stenosis. Pulmonary valve. There can be increased intensity in the pulmonary valve closure or and diminished intensity also. Increased intensity is seen in pulmonary hypertension. Diminished intensity can be seen in valvular pulmonary stenosis, which is a bit delayed also, and severe tetralogy of Fallot. P2 may be heard at the apex also. In conditions such as ASD, that is large left to right shunt, and signifies pulmonary hypertension. Long systolic murmurs, they can mask the A2 and P2 and such as in conditions such as ASD, mitral regurgitation and pulmonary stenosis. VSD, either it can mask A2 or P2 may be inaudible. And tetralogy of Fallot or transposition of great artery, the A2 is very loud and subdues P2 completely. There are extra cardiac factors which leads to diminished second heart sound, such as obesity, increased chest wall thickness, chest deformity, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Audible expiratory spitting can be seen. It's more appreciated in expiration and it's delayed due to delayed P2. So in patients with pulmonary hypertension, with right ventricular failure, you can get audible expiratory splitting and seen in patients with hypertension with right ventricular failure. Massive pulmonary embolism. This causes delayed P2. Pulmonary valve stenosis. This also causes delayed P2. ASD. Complete RBB. Premature complexes of left ventricular origin. And chest wall abnormalities. Early A2 can also be there for the fixed splitting in expiratory heart sound respiration. severe MR, ventricular septal defect, pericardial tamponade, left atrial myxoma, constrictive pericarditis. Fixed splitting of second heart sound, that is in both inspiration and expiration. If you get a fixed splitting of the second heart sound, it is to be confirmed in the sitting and upright position. This is due to similar degree of respiratory alteration in both ventricular filling and is best appreciated in expiration. Right ventricular stroke volume does not increase with inspiration when there is fixed splitting of the second heart sound. In conditions such as right ventricular failure, pulmonary embolization, severe pulmonary hypertension, so you get a fixed splitting. Coming to the fixed splitting of second heart sound, if there is a concurrent increase in right ventricular filling and left ventricular filling, still you can get a fixed splitting of the second heart sound. In conditions such as ASD, left bundle branch block. Paradoxical splitting of the second heart sound, that is P2 precedes A2. P2 is preceding A2, is seen widely split in expiration but fused in inspiration. This can be seen in conditions like LBBB, type 2B WPW, right ventricular pacing, and PVCs of right ventricular origin. Paradoxical splitting of the second heart sound. It can be due to the increased left ventricular ejection time. It may be due to left ventricular obstruction, or there can be an early P2. So, increased left ventricular ejection time can be seen in cases of PDA, left to right shunt, and severe aortic regurgitation. Left ventricular obstruction can be seen in valvular aortic stenosis or HOCM, and early P2 can be seen in cases of right atrial myxoma or tricuspid regurgitation. Single S2, that is A2 or P2 is absent or narrow splitting can be audible. This is seen in aging, COPD or inaudible P2, pulmonary hypertension with good RV function, that is masking of A2, loud A2 or loud mitral valve opening snap, hollow systolic murmurs, so only one sound can be heard in such